Sophia Loren's Villa Sara is not just a residence. It's a symbol of her extraordinary life and legacy. A home that encapsulates both her humble beginnings and her remarkable rise to global stardom. While the villa reflects the opulence of Loren's later years, it's crucial to appreciate how far she came from her modest roots. Born in 1934 as Sofia Villani Scicolone, Loren grew up in the poverty-stricken town of Puteoli, near Naples in southern Italy. Her early years were fraught with challenges. Her father, Riccardo, abandoned the family when Loren was very young, leaving her mother to raise Loren and her sister Maria alone. They lived in cramped, shared quarters with extended family, and their financial struggles were compounded by the hardships of World War II. Living through the war in their industrial town, Loren witnessed firsthand the devastation and instability of post-war Italy. Food was scarce, air raids were frequent, and she often recounts the story of how a bomb once exploded near their home, leaving her with a scar on her chin. Despite these challenges, Loren's mother, a music teacher and former actress, instilled in her daughters a love of the arts and a belief that they could rise above their circumstances. These humble beginnings starkly contrast with the life Loren later built, which includes some of the most luxurious homes in Italy and beyond, with Villa Sara being perhaps the most famous of them all. Loren's entry into the world of entertainment began when she participated in a local beauty pageant, which eventually led her to the world of film. Her striking beauty and charisma quickly caught the attention of filmmakers, and she began to take on small roles in Italian films in the early 1950s. Her big break, however, came when she met Carlo Ponti, a successful and influential Italian film producer who recognized her potential. Ponti would go on to be not only her mentor but also her husband, and their partnership, both on and off screen, would be instrumental in Loren's ascent to international stardom. By the mid-1950s, Loren had become one of the most sought-after actresses in Italy. Her partnership with Ponti led to roles that showcased her versatility, and she quickly transitioned from being known for her beauty to being recognized as a serious and talented actress. In 1960, Loren delivered a groundbreaking performance in Two Women. Her portrayal of a mother trying to protect her daughter from the horrors of World War II earned her international acclaim and made her the first actress ever to win an Academy Award for a foreign language film. This performance solidified her place in Hollywood, where she would go on to star alongside legends such as Cary Grant, Frank Sinatra, and Marlon Brando. As Loren's fame grew, so did her wealth, allowing her to invest in properties that reflected her status as one of the most glamorous women in the world. In 1957, when she married Ponti, he famously promised to give her the most beautiful house in the world. True to his word, Villa Sara became a symbol of their love, partnership, and shared appreciation for the finer things in life. Located in the prestigious and exclusive hills overlooking Rome, Villa Sara is much more than just a home. It's a personal sanctuary, a retreat from the public eye, and a celebration of Loren's love for art, culture, and history. The villa itself is a testament to both Loren and Ponti's impeccable taste, and their deep connection to Italian heritage. With its 50 rooms, Villa Sara is a sprawling estate, but it retains a sense of intimacy and warmth, a reflection of Loren's grounded personality, despite her global fame. One of the most notable features of the villa is its art collection, which spans centuries and includes masterpieces from Italy's rich artistic history. Paintings, sculptures, and rare tapestries adorn the walls and halls, creating an overall space that feels like a private museum. Loren and Ponti both share a love for Renaissance and Baroque art, and it is quite evident in the way that they curated their collection. carefully selecting works that complement the villa's historical architecture while adding a personal touch to the luxurious surroundings. In addition to its art collection, Villa Sara is filled with antique furniture, original architectural elements, and custom pieces that reflect Loren's personal style, an elegant blend of traditional Italian craftsmanship and modern luxury. The inclusion of frescoes, intricate woodwork, and marble floors adds a sense of timelessness to the villa, while contemporary amenities ensure that it remains a comfortable and functional home. Every corner of the villa tells a story, whether through the art on the walls, the furniture in the rooms, or the personal mementos that Loren has collected over the years. The villa's grand dining room is one of the key spaces where Loren hosted some of the most glamorous soirees of the 60s and 70s. With its ornate table, magnificent chandelier, and stunning views of Rome, the dining room became a gathering place for the world's elite. Fellow actors, directors, politicians, and dignitaries from all over the globe. Loren's love for Italian cuisine and her passion for hospitality were on full display during these events, where she would often serve dishes inspired by her upbringing. In fact, Loren has spoken at length about how food is deeply intertwined with her sense of identity, and she has even authored several cookbooks, including Sophia Loren's Recipes and Memories, where she shares not just recipes, but personal stories about her life and family. And you can find a link in the description. The kitchen in Villa Sara, like many other rooms in the villa, is a blend of the old and the new. It features state-of-the-art appliances that allow Loren to continue her passion for cooking in style, while still maintaining the warmth and charm of a traditional Italian kitchen. This space, filled with personal touches such as family photographs and heirlooms, is where Loren can connect with her roots, preparing meals that remind her of her childhood in Naples. Stepping into the next room, one of the most unique features of Villa Sara is its private cinema. As a testament to Loren's status as a cinematic icon, this space is where she can revisit her greatest performances and watch films with friends and family. The cinema is adorned with memorabilia from her illustrious career, posters, photographs, and costumes from her most famous roles. This room is not just a luxury, but a deep personal space, where Loren can reflect on her incredible journey from a small town in Italy to the heights of international fame. Throughout the villa, reminders of Loren's extraordinary career are scattered in the form of awards, honors, and personal memorabilia. From the Oscars she won to the numerous Golden Globe Awards and the Lifetime Achievement Award she has received, these accolades are a testament to her enduring legacy in the world of cinema. The outdoor spaces at Villa Sara are equally breathtaking. The villa's gardens, with their beautifully manicured lawns, ancient olive trees, and classical statues, are a peaceful retreat where Loren can escape the pressures of public life. The gardens are designed in the traditional Italian style, with an emphasis on symmetry and harmony between nature and architecture. The sense of balance is evident throughout the outdoor spaces, where Loren and her family can relax in privacy while enjoying the beauty of the surrounding landscape. The swimming pool area is another highlight of the villa, featuring a luxurious pool house, complete with changing rooms and a lounge area. Loren has always been known for her impeccable style, and this extends to the design of the pool area, which is both elegant and functional. Whether hosting a glamorous poolside party or enjoying a quiet swim with family, the pool area reflects Loren's love for luxury and her ability to create beautiful and inviting spaces. Beyond its aesthetic beauty, Villa Sara is also a modern home, equipped with all the contemporary amenities one would expect in a luxury residence. During its restoration in the 1980s, careful attention was paid to preserving the villa's original charm while updating it to meet the highest standards of modern living. From high-tech security systems to state-of-the-art climate control, Villa Sara offers the perfect blend of old-world elegance and modern convenience. Sophia Loren's impact on Italian and global cinema cannot be overstated. With over 100 films to her credit, she has worked with some of the greatest directors and actors of her time, leaving a legacy that will inspire generations to come. Her performances, marked by their emotional depth and authenticity, helped redefine the role of women in cinema. Loren's ability to move seamlessly between comedy and drama, playing everything from glamorous leading ladies to strong, resilient women, has made her one of the most versatile and famous actresses in film history. In addition to her contributions to cinema, Loren's influence extends to the world of fashion. Known for her timeless beauty and impeccable style, Loren has graced the covers of countless magazines and has been a muse to some of the world's most famous designers. Even today, her sense of elegance and sophistication continue to inspire. Loren's influence on beauty and fashion is as enduring as her impact on film, making her a true icon of style and grace. Villa Sara, with its impeccable design, luxurious amenities, and storied histories, is more than just a home. It's a testament to the legacy of an icon of elegance, sophistication, and the enduring allure of Italian cinema and culture. And so, the villa stands as one of the most beautiful homes in Italy. Thank you everyone so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this content, please go ahead and subscribe, like, and share this video. And I'll see you in the next one.